see criminal pass the heat to somebody that blast the heat. Man, it sound bad on the pad. What happened in the street? A villain on the vinyl, an analog outlaw. A lot of gats on your DAT tape southpaw. You thuggin' when the mic's plugged in, walking through the speakers like you got no sense. You wild on the 2-inch, got your platinum plaques to prove it. Your music's been around the world moving, and it come right back around to the ground, don't it? Now it's time to face your opponent. Infamous, cling to this real shit. Stuck where we started at, fuck that. Not because